Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Tremaine, and today we're going to be going over the 4-step of my 5-step framework to funding your music career. So this 4-step is called the friendship phase or friendship step, right? And it's all about establishing a relationship with the bank or credit union that you chose in the great search step, right? So you want to make sure you're establishing a relationship with these banks or credit unions because believe it or not, when I'm gonna give you guys a scenario, right? There's two people and they need $50,000, right? You have the $50,000, right? But you can only give it to one person, right? You have someone that you know, and then you have a stranger, right? Who are you gonna give the money to, right? Comment below. I already know the answer, but comment below and let me know who you're gonna give the money to, right? Don't go into context. Well, I have to see what. No, we're just gonna keep it simple like that. You have a person you know, you have a person you don't know, right? It's a stranger, right? Those are the only two things I'm gonna give you. You have to make a decision off of that, right? And yeah, so you guys comment below on which one you would give the money to, right? Like a friend, a person you know really well, or a stranger, right? So comment below, right? Now, you want to make sure you establish a relationship with these banks and credit unions because it's going to make the whole process go by smoothly, right? And less complicated. You know what I'm saying? So by doing this, you can either set up a business savings account or you can set up a business checking account, right? Because a lot of banks and credit unions, they rather work with, someone that's a part of their ecosystem than a stranger, somebody off the streets. Now, there are cases where some banks and credit unions, they don't really care, right? But I like to, tell you guys this because it's a good practice, right? It's good practice to, have a relationship with the bank or credit union already before you go out and, complete this whole process, right? So you want to make sure, you set up a business savings account or a business checking account with the, bank credit union you want to work with, right? This is a quick video, but it's an important step, right? I don't want to leave this out. That's why I put it in my 5-step framework. A lot of people, they have like their little framework and they tend to leave this one out, right? But it's super important to have a relationship with, someone you're pretty much getting funded by. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure you have that in order, right? So I appreciate you guys for checking out this video and comment below. I really want to hear what you guys have to say, what your decision would be, right? So comment below and I'll see you guys in the next video.